Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 3 of the DIY drywall repair video. Let me share with you the tools I found most helpful for this part of the project. A piece of sandpaper, wall texture spray, and surprisingly a baby wipe. So as far as the sandpaper, I do not remember the grade of the sandpaper, but I do remember that it was possibly from a previous wall repair project that I did. And as far as the wall texture spray, that is by Homax. And there is no particular reason why I chose Homax over any other brand. I just looked at the pictures on the can, saw that it provided 3 different texture types, and I decided to roll with it. And then as far as the baby wipe, the reason why I feel like the baby wipe was the most helpful to me is because I did not have a sponge and I was not going back to the store to get the sponge. So the next best thing was to either soak paper towels in water and wring them out so that they were damp, or find the closest thing to me that was wet, and those were baby wipes. And once again, I had to call my husband for backup because this wall texture spray was giving me a run for my money. So Miss Self-Sufficient Independent needed help once again. So now I'm lightly blotting the texture with the baby wipe. I'm trying not to mash it in too much because I don't want the texture to be flat, or that would just contradict the whole purpose of having texture on the wall. However, I do need to blot it some so that it will hopefully match the current texture on the wall. So I'm just going to continue to blot over the whole area as much as I feel is necessary. And now I'm adding a little bit more, and then I'm going to blot it again after I finish. And I'm just really trying to make sure that I match it as close as possible, because once it dries, I really want to just go ahead and paint it. So one thing that I was really cautious about was overworking one area. And of course, that would be the area that I'm repairing. And I did not want to kill my project by doing too much. So I'm going to take a quick look just to compare the part that I'm working on with the rest of the wall. Now, the part that is tricky for me, or was tricky for me, is that of course I am comparing the white part of this wall, which is the wall that I'm currently working on, with the wall that actually has color on it. So that was really tricky for me because of course it was going to look different. Now, once I add paint to the wall, maybe it will blend in seamlessly, but I really can't tell that right now because, one, I'm not an expert in this area. So I was just trying to do as much texture and blotting as I could without overdoing it. So I am ready to see the end result of this project soon. I hope this comes out like gold because I'm ready to give myself a big pat on the back. And then for any construction workers, if y'all looking at this video, I know, this little video, if you need some light work done, come holler at your girl if this thing come out good. Let me handle your lightweight. If you have not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure that you do so. And if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and hit the bell for notification of when we drop videos. All right, so once again, I am going to just make sure that I'm blending the texture in with the current texture of the wall as much as possible. I'm going to continue to work with the wall texture to make sure that it blends perfectly in with the rest of the wall. I will let you all continue watching the video until the end, but until next time, I'll see you guys in part 3.